So obviously this one is a little bit different than normal. And well, I just wanted to show you what's actually going on around here in New York City. Because those, you don't want to know what's inside those. I think I'm on week 6 of my isolation now. It's been pretty long and tiring, mentally tough. It was a nice day today, so I thought I'd get outside and walk around and show you some of the streets, show you what's going on here in NYC. We're supposed to be in isolation till the 15th. So why am I outside? Well, yesterday afternoon, I took a look at my Fitbit, and I was at like 268 steps for the day. And considering it's been 6 weeks that I've been inside, I felt like I needed to get outside and just move around for a moment. Okay, this is a little bit creepy. I mean, lots of things are roped off, blocked off, and usually this is packed full of people. Super weird. Definitely weird to be walking around the parks with absolutely nobody around. Well, since we're down here, we're going to have to go take a look at Times Square. One of the busiest places in the world. Empty. And super quiet. It's just totally surreal. One of the things I've been trying to do more of this year is talk to the camera. But I think the quietness of the city will be a big enough impact for this video. And just in case you think it's a Saturday evening or a holiday, huge thanks to Mom for sending me some masks. It's only 8:30 right now, yet it feels like 2:30 in the morning. I mean, this is just crazy. I mean, I'm only on like 60th. Never see it like this again. I always knew moving to New York City, I could potentially be at the epicenter of something happened to America. Just never imagined it would be this. So how many steps did I get in today? 21,281.